It's finally time for the next upgrade of the Windows operating system, Windows 11, which just this past week was announced to be released this winter for free if you already have Windows 10 installed. To get your business ready for the update, we at Totality Services wanted to give you an overview of what to expect, the features, the system requirements, and even how you can register to get early access in case you wanted to set up a pilot group to test out this brand new experience. Let's start off with the most noticeable change, the user interface or the UI. We have a much cleaner, almost glassy look with rounded corners, and the start menu along with the taskbar is now placed in the center. Next, we have two features perfect for improved productivity: snap layouts and snap groups. Snap layouts lets you have multiple windows open at the same time. You can even rearrange and resize these screens to work the way you're most comfortable with, making multitasking so much smoother. And snap groups remembers and lets you quickly relaunch the apps that you usually work with. For those organizations using Microsoft Teams, the experience is now preloaded within the operating system itself, prominently placed in the taskbar, allowing you to quickly create and join meetings. You even have the option to mute, unmute, and even share screens from the taskbar as well. Microsoft has also now made Android apps to be able to be natively run on the Windows operating systems. You do need to install the Amazon App Store onto your Windows device, but after that, it lets you download Android applications, which, if you have, example, certain business apps on your phone, you can now run it directly from your computer, provided that is Android, of course. Microsoft describes Windows 11 as Zero Trust Ready, which is perhaps the most important thing to note about the operating system. Malware prevention, hardware-based isolation, and encryption are all turned on by default, and they also state that they'll make it easier to go passwordless for businesses by simplifying the Windows Hello for Business deployment. However, this secure experience comes with a caveat, and to understand this, we need to get into the system requirements. So these are the general requirements, and most of it is pretty much standard at this point. However, notice that the TPM section says Trusted Platform Module version 2. So essentially, if you don't have TPM version 2, which a lot of computers older than 4 years generally don't have, those computers will not be able to run Windows 11. You can purchase it separately and replace your current TPM module, but it also depends on whether the motherboard or CPU supports TPM capabilities. If you want to check whether your computer has TPM 2.0, just head over to your Windows search, type in tpm.msc, and it should let you know your version. If it says 1.0, then you won't be able to run Windows 11. If it says you don't have a TPM installed, you can still go into your BIOS and check if it's available, because some computers have it turned off by default. You can also run the PC health check provided by Microsoft to check if your computer meets the requirements to run Windows 11. In order to get early access to Windows 11, which Microsoft has announced they'll be rolling out somewhere within this week, you need to sign up for the Insider program. And this is really simple. Just go into your settings, into Update and Security, and you should have a section called the Windows Insider program. Follow these steps provided, and you should be able to get the Windows 11 update once Microsoft releases it to the insiders. If you are a Totality Services client, don't worry about early access. We'll get in touch with you regarding the Windows 11 upgrade later this year. If you would like a free consultation regarding any of this or in general IT support, do reach out to us by visiting us at totalityservices.co.uk.